Hello there, my name is Luciano Oliveira. I am a Brazilian attorney. I'm here in Rio de Janeiro, and today we're going to be talking about how to negotiate the best deal when purchasing Rio de Janeiro real estate. And the bottom line is, you should not rush yourself. You should take your time to choose the right property. You should do your homework, and most importantly, do not let other people to rush you. One specific tip for you to use when starting the search for the property: try to find these properties in a listing. Do not let just a realtor come with the information and share this information with you. Try to see in writing, especially in a website. Underlying reasoning for that is because there is the so-called gringo effect. Gringos, right, like Brazilians like to joke, they have a stronger currency and they have a higher purchasing power. So if the price is not in writing, if you're not seeing the price in a listing, it may be possible that the price is being inflated for you to pay more. You don't want to be that person paying more, right? So start by taking a look at the many websites portraying real estate in Rio de Janeiro. You may be asking, all right, but I don't read Portuguese. How do you want me to take a look at those websites? Here's the good news. Actually, most of these websites are going to be automatically translated into English if you're using Chrome and you right click on anywhere on the screen and you choose translate it to English. Of course, this is machine translation. It's not going to look beautiful. There may be a bunch of mistranslations, but the bottom line is you're going to have a pretty clear idea about the price, about the property, about the features, and this should be enough for you to start a conversation with the seller's realtor. Another advice is to discuss with a professional about the average square meter cost in that particular area. Law firms specializing in real estate in Rio de Janeiro have this information at the point of their fingers, and they may tell you if the asking price is fair or not. Even if you have the selling price, the same selling price that is being offered to other Brazilian buyers, it's good to know that it is customary in the Brazilian market for buyers to ask for a price reduction. It's not as much as some of our prospective clients believe. It's not 20%, it's not 30%. Usually it's going to be somewhere between 5 and 7% of the selling price. Interesting for you to note, even though you may have a realtor saying that he's working on your behalf, realtors in general, they are going to be working hard to get you to sign a contract. They know that until you sign a contract, you could be buying any property from anyone. So they're going to be pushing really hard for you to sign the contract, no matter if the price is good or not. It's important for you to understand that. Their objective is to have you sign a contract. Keep that in mind. Realtors are going to be pushy. Sometimes you can clearly tell from the get-go that they are being pushy. Other times they are more subtle, but still you're going to realize, you are working on a track towards signing a contract and getting stuck with a deal. If it is a good deal, you're happy to be getting into that deal, but what we see more often than not is a client is going to come to us, or a prospective client is going to come to us just because they feel they cannot handle the relationship with the realtor, right? Like they are being pressed to sign a contract. They say, listen, I want to buy this property, but I don't know if the terms in the contract are fair or not. In addition to the selling price, there are the conditions of the deal, and it is important for you to have a contract that is fair and that is going to allow you time to take care of all the specific requirements applicable to a foreign citizen to buy property in Brazil. A combination between a realtor helping you find a property and a law firm specializing in real estate in Rio de Janeiro to assist you with the contract and the transaction itself is usually pretty good. It brings you maximum safety in terms of acquiring the property. As you may know, if you've been watching our videos, there is no escrow in Brazil. There is no title insurance, so a risk in real estate transactions, not only in Rio de Janeiro, but the entire country of Brazil, is extremely higher than the risk that you're gonna face if you're buying property in other countries like the United States. I hope you like these tips and follow us for more in our next videos.